on, you guys? Thank you so much for joining me back on another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be changing the oil on my Nissan 350z rev-up. It shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. I'm going to go over all the money I spent on it. So in today's video I tried to save as much money as I possibly could. So I'm going with O'Reilly's name brand motor oil, 5W30 non-synthetic. I have, a Stanley tool set. The MicroGuard oil filter actually came with the O'Reilly 5-quart container, and I think I got both of those for like $23. I have an oil pan, I have an oil filter wrench, and then I have these two little drive up stand things. So the car's kind of low, so I'm going to use these two little stand things to drive up onto, and then I'm going to jack the car up from there. And that's basically what we're doing today. So let's get into it. So I just noticed that this side actually sits a little higher than the other side because I can get this all the way underneath, but I can't get the other one. I got the car up on the stands here. I got the jack from 1946 right here. And the little jack point right in the middle right there is like the only spot from the front end where you can jack the car safely. So the only thing is this is kind of short. So, it doesn't go very fast at the beginning, but then, as you get higher off the ground, it gets easier, so. So it's 10mm everything. I have an aftermarket Z1 skid plate under here that I have to take off. All right guys, so we took the skid plate off. There was like 10 screws, and then you can see right there is the oil pan and the oil filter. Super easy to get to once that's gone. So we realized that to drain the oil, we're gonna have to put the drain pan right there. So I'm gonna move the jack over to the side a little bit and like lower the car and bring it back up. So I'm taking off the oil cap because, one sec. Cool. All right, there's that. Now I'm gonna drain the oil into the oil pan right here, and it should be good. And we're gonna refill it, and it should be good to go. Or actually, and then we're gonna put the filter on, and then we're gonna refill it, and then we'll be good to go. There's the 14mm bolt we're gonna be taking out, and then there's the oil filter right next to it. Super close together, so it's super easy. All right, so we got 14mm on the breaker bar here. Should be a little easier. Oh, got it. You ready for this, you guys? I'm gonna do this without getting oil on my fingers. Oh, I got oil on my fingers. Hey, we did it though. Dang, that was pretty black, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that's probably good. Just hand tight. There we go. Just wipe this. Now time for the oil filter. This is probably easy. Easy. I could just hand do it now, probably. Let me see, I don't want to get any oil. There's the rest of it. Don't drop that when you get off. Oh yeah, splash everywhere. Took the oil filter off. I'm gonna use some of this oil now and just lube up the outside of this oil filter and then just screw this one on. Should be good. All right. Like so. That's probably good. Sweet. $5 quarts, motor oil, O'Reilly, auto parts, $17. Never be overcharged for changing your oil ever again. 5 quarts. There it is. All right, you guys, so we put the oil back inside. We're gonna wait a few minutes, let everything set down to the bottom and kind of do its thing. And then we're gonna check the oil and make sure everything's good. And that's basically it. I'm probably gonna end the video here. I'm gonna clean everything up. I'm gonna put the skid plate back on, and I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you have any comments at all, drop them down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of quarantine. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.